Okay, what the hell? Like 2 minutes ago, I kid you not, earthquake again in Oklahoma. I mean, I'm sitting here trying to watch Bill Barlow's party, and this wall right here, spin it around. Well, this wall, the walls of this brick solid stucco house I'm in literally started shaking. All the pictures on the walls, I mean, this was bigger than what it was last night. And my chair, I mean, I could feel my chair kind of, you know, that was wild. That was wild. God. I'm hoping, well, I'm not hoping, but it'd be even wilder if there's an aftershock here. That's why I threw up the camera and started shooting a video. Not something I expected for day 94 of my 100-day plus day juice fast. So, and they are blowing up Facebook right now. Let me, it's going to be a little jerky. It's not an earthquake. I'm just lowering this down. Just light. Okay, can you see me? Yes, I love wearing this shirt now. God, it's so warm. I don't know why I'm so cold all the time. So, oh, got a call. Hello? Yeah, the earthquake? Oh, you're in Norman? It shook the house in Chickasha too. Yeah. Yeah, it's wild. No, the one last night woke me. Well, I was half asleep, half awake when the one hit last night. But yeah, that was pretty wild, man. Hey, I'm recording a video right now, so let me let you go. All right, bye. Yeah, that's a buddy of mine in Norman, and he said it's the entire house shook. Woke him up out of a dead sleep. So, what he's doing in Norman? He's from Chickasha. Yeah, I'm a little rattled right now. I mean, we're in Oklahoma. That's a California thing that's supposed to be going on. Oh, Dara's talking on Bill's deal. Bill's video keeps cutting out. It's like Dan the Man was up there talking, and then all of a sudden, Bill had the black belt on that I sent him. Yes, I promoted Bill, gave him an honorary black belt for his valiant efforts for beating obesity and taking charge of his life again. That's right, Bill Barlow. He's won. He's in the club. He's one of a Don ranks now. So, and his videos streaming live link keeps goofing up. So, yeah, people are. You know what's wild? The OSU game, the Oklahoma State game, just ended. They just beat Kansas. I mean, Kansas State. This like right down to the second. I mean, it was a pretty wild game, but the game just ended, and then boom, earthquake. So go Pokes, yeah. So people are freaking out on Facebook. Wow. I know this may be kind of boring, but it would be pretty wild if we got an aftershock here. I'm just a little concerned. Had to comment from my sister in New York. She moved to New York, and the minute she got to New York, then the earthquake up there and around D.C. happened. So, and we were making fun of her for that. I was like, see, I told you not to move up there. And then she had the big snowstorm hit up there. So, now we're having earthquakes. Man, people are just like, what? Earthquake? What, am I dreaming? How weird. Who felt that? Here we go. Here's what I'll put on Facebook. Sorry, everyone. That was the old Steve. I tripped and fell. Oh well. I don't know what to think. I mean, this is pretty wild. And I walked outside, and the animals were going nuts. And my cat is right up against the door. Say hi, Tink. Tink. See, Tink? Tink, I got a Tink. What's up, kitty? Yeah, he's freaking out.